Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to insert watch icon or symbol in your MS Excel or MS Word. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to insert the watch icon or watch symbol in your Excel or Word file, then I will show you simple method. First of all, you just need to open your Excel file. After that, click on this insert, then click on symbol. Here you need to select Sigo UI symbol. After that, here you need to select miscellaneous technical. After selecting this, you can see here you will find the watch logo. Just select this one and click on insert. Then close this window. You can see the watch symbol has been inserted. Just select that. If you want to increase the size, you can increase it from here, and if you want to change the color, just select that one and change the color from here. That's it guys. So in this way you can add or insert watch icon or watch symbol in your MS Word or MS Excel. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.